Welcome to our recycling factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how scrap metal is transformed into strong steel rods, step by step.
All right, bring that load over to the steel beam section. Watch the rebar pile on the left.
The extreme heat generated within the furnace melts the scrap metal, effectively purifying it into liquid steel.
The extreme heat generated here not only melts the scrap, but also purifies the metal, preparing it for its next life.
Look at the temperature in the main chamber.
And the chemical composition is unstable. Adjust the intake valves now.
The temperature on line 3 is fluctuating.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now, that should stabilize it.
Every batch is refined and shaped under extreme precision.
Every steel rod is tested to meet strength and safety standards.
And that's how scrap metal is recycled into strong steel rods, from waste to strength.